Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than we ever imagined. But can machines truly surpass human intelligence? Today we explore the fascinating world of AI versus human and what makes each unique. Humans have natural ability to create and feel. We can paint, write, compose music, and invent new ideas, all driven by emotion and intuition, something AI cannot truly replicate. AI, however, can process huge amount of data in seconds, some things AI could never do. It can analyze patterns, predict trends, and solve problems at a lightning speed, making it a powerful tool for decision making. AI can even create art, music, and stories by analyzing patterns from existing works. But while the output can be impressive, AI does not truly understand the emotion or meaning behind it. It mimics creativity rather than feeling it. Humans can sense, empathize, and make decisions even without complete information. This intuition allows us to adopt, innovate, and connect with each others in ways AI still cannot. When humans and AI work together, amazing things happen. Human creativity combines with AI processing power to solve complex problems, design new technologies, and make better decisions than either could alone. Despite its power, AI has limits. It lacks emotions, ethical reasoning, and morality. Machines can't feel guilt, empathy, or responsibility, things humans rely on for decisions that impact lives. Human strength, empathy, adaptability, and creativity remain unmatched. We can teach, inspire, and innovate in ways that AI can only mimic but not truly understand. When human and AI join forces, the possibilities are limitless. Together, we can tackle global challenges, explore new frontiers, and create future beyond what either could achieve alone. AI and human is not really about who wins. It's about how we evolve together, combining human insight with machine intelligence to shape a smarter, better future. If you enjoyed this journey, join the conversation below and share your thoughts on the future of AI.